What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man. Today you already know what we have to do, the hottest style, the lookbook for the newly released Air Jordan 11 Jubilees, man. You guys already know every single release I try to give you guys some styles, give you guys some looks on what to wear with your sneakers. And this one right here, man, we got a bunch of clothing from Fashion Nova, man. Shouts out to Fashion Nova for sponsoring today's video. They sent me an entire package just to throw some fits together for these Air Jordan 11 Jubilees, one of the hottest sneakers are released this year. And of course, this is Jordan 11, man. Who don't love Jordan 11s? If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is hit that subscribe button, ring notification bell for your boy, so you never miss anything that drops on the channel. Live cops, early unboxings, lookbooks like these, and a bunch of other videos that we drop on the channel. And head over to IG, give a boy a follow at The Vintage World, because I'm gonna throw some of these fits together, go to a nice spot, take some photos. So head over to Instagram, like I said, link down below, and leave a huge like on this video. To go for every video is 400 likes, so help me surpass that goal. And throughout any portion of this video, if you have any questions about some of the clothing, some of the sizing tips, let me know down below in the comment section. So all that out the way, man, let's jump right into this lookbook over the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees, man. Let's get it. Alright guys, first we have the sliding rock puffer jacket. Very fire. I've been eyeing this jacket for a long time, and I was finally able to get it and throw it with a dope fit with these Jubilee 11s. It fits pretty true to size. I got it in the size medium. I'm about 5'8", 5'9" on a good day, 180 pounds, man. So size medium fits very, very perfect for me. The quality is very nice on this jacket. Like I said, I've been eyeing it for a while. It's kind of like seeing how the quality would be, and getting it in hand, it kind of surprised me on how good it was, man. So if you want this, it will be linked down below. Get you this nice jacket, this 3M puffer, down below at Fashion Nova Men's. Alright, now we get into one of my favorite styles that they sent over. This is a Titan cargo pocket puffer. It's supposed to fit oversized. It's a size medium, believe it or not. Kind of like that oversized look, kind of give me some New York vibes and stuff like that. And it went very well, given the contrast off of the all black Jubilee 11s, man. Just like with the last puffer jacket, the quality on this is super immaculate. It kind of surprised me, you know what I'm saying? I don't really get jackets in Fashion Nova, but I'm glad I did get these two because the quality is nice, and I know it's gonna last a long time. Get some dope fits out of any sneaker that I throw on with this puffer jacket. Alright, next we have the Cube Impala short sleeve tee. This is a size medium, and I'm always battling between if I should get a large or medium. Some shirts that you guys are going to see in this video are large. This right here is a medium. And I don't know, it's just kind of weird how their sizing is. Sometimes the medium fits just right for me, and sometimes the large fits well. I don't know what it is about that, but this one right here is the Cube Impala short sleeve tee. Will be linked down below if you're interested. Alright guys, and for the jeans that we got from Fashion Nova Men, these called the Teak Racing Stripe skinny jeans. I really love the jeans from Fashion Nova. I don't know how much to emphasize the point that they go very well with the sneakers that we rock. And this one right here has this nice taper look, stacks right on top of the Jubilee 11s. I'm loving the style, I'm loving the fit. And the hoodie is the No Saints hoodie. This is the size medium. Both of them will be linked down below in the description box, man. Go check it out. Alright, so here goes another shirt from Fashion Nova Men. This is a size medium. This is called the Ali short sleeve tee. Can't go wrong with a shirt with the greatest boxer of all time, Muhammad Ali, on the front. All black, of course, this goes perfect with the fit. You know, you can throw on whatever you want, different jackets, some different accessories, a different hat if you want to switch up the style. But this one right here is a size medium. It will be linked down below in the description box. This is the Vote Up short sleeve tee. This is a size large, and it fits very, very good. Like I said, it fits like a size medium. I honestly believe the difference between a medium and a large in some of these shirts is only the sleeve sizing for some reason. Man, I really love this shirt. You guys see me open the video up with this one right here. This is called the Good Things short sleeve tees. It's white and it's a size medium. So the last white shirt we got was a large. This one right here is a medium, and it fits damn near the same, man. This will be linked down below. Give it a nice little hit of yellow, throwing it with the Jubilee 11s. I really love this fit. And throughout this video, man, please let me know which of the outfits you like. Some of them are pretty dope, pretty much a little slight, but you guys let me know your honest opinions down below in the comment section. Alright guys, we have the Wesley Packable puffer jacket. It actually has like a little package inside where you can stuff this entire jacket into. This is another one of the jackets that fits pretty true to size, so I will link it down below if you guys want it. Good quality. I like the idea of having a little stuff stack for the jacket. And like I said, if you like this, let me know in the comment section, man. These are the snake bite track pants. I got these in a size medium. I should have got a size small. They're kind of too big for me. It's not my style. But the pants are very dope. The quality is very nice, very sleek. But please make sure you go down a whole size in these pants if you're copping them. Man, it's getting chilly out here in Texas. Believe it or not, this is the 90-minute track jacket. Got this in a medium, something you can just throw on when it gets a little breezy outside, and this goes perfect with the gray jeans, and it goes perfect with the Jubilee 11s. This is something a little slight, you feel me? But if you guys want it, it will be linked down below in the description box. Check it out, man. I should have thrown some black jeans with this fit. It would have been so dope. This is the Expedition Unknown jacket, size medium. Sizing is good, quality is good. On the inner, it kind of has like some camouflage hits on it, as you guys can see. But I definitely should have thrown some black jeans. This will be linked down below in the description box, man. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Gave you guys a bunch of looks. I think it was close to 11 total outfits for the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees. Like I said, if you have any questions about sizing, where to find them, like I said, I will link every single item down below in the description box, so you can head straight over to Fashion Nova. And I appreciate everybody for pulling up to this video. If you want to see more videos like these, like I said, please subscribe and hit that like button. The goal for the video is 400 likes. And head over to IG so you can see some of these fits I put together outside and some nice scenery, man. Again, huge shouts out to Fashion Nova, man, for sponsoring today's video. I appreciate everybody for pulling up. Subscribe, ring notification bell. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.